How to get Spotify receipt. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get your Spotify receipt or how you can find your receipt on Spotify. Now the process is quite simple and easy, however you won't be able to find the receipt on the application itself. You'll need to head into the browser. Simply head into your browser on your desktop or your phone, and then there at the browser head into spotify.com. Here head into the browser version of Spotify. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account. You can see I'm logged into my account. Once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you tap on settings icon, tap on the view account option. Once here, what you want to do is you'll get various options. As you can see on the screen, you can see the first option account and the second option payment. Under the payment, you can see the very first option order history. Simply tap on the order history option and you'll be able to find your receipts here. Now you can see no receipts found here currently because I don't have any transaction made on my account itself, so there is no receipt showing up. But if you do have transactions made and if you want to view the receipts, you'll find it here. So this way you can get the Spotify receipts. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.